Spot some open ackee. Wonder if we can zoom it up. Ah, see them? Ja, ja. Yeah, man. Peel one orange for sipping in the morning, you know? It's a beautiful day. Giving thanks, you know? A beautiful rise, you know? Plants are beautiful. You know, it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining, you know? Wondering if this plant needs some more sunlight. Some of the leaves are yellow, you know? Yeah, all of the sun come from this side. Wonder if we can pick the open one them without pick the one that's not open. Ah, skill saw. Skill saw. When should I say? Oh, bomba clat. Oh, rasclat. Oh, bomba clat. Oh, rasclat. Sip some cornmeal porridge, you know? Some cornmeal porridge in the morning. You want some? Hush. Yeah, man, so I put the peppermint plants in the sun. Yeah, man, just to see if it will help to change the color, you know? So, herbal family, what's the best way to prepare, or the best type of meal that you like to prepare ackee with? You know, in Jamaica here, you know, our national dish is ackee and saltfish. You know, one that I respect our national dish, but because I don't consume meat. My favorite way to do ackee is with callaloo, which the Rasta man say ilalo. Yeah, man, what is your favorite way to prepare your ackee? What you like to prepare it with? So this part of the video is called yeah, him just a pass through. Maybe never know me there about, you know. So this part of the video is called, you know, New Year resolution alert. What are your New Year resolution? You know? What are your dreams? What are your aspirations? What are your goals for this new year, you know? What are some of the things that you want to accomplish for this new year? Yeah, man. Type it in the comment section. You know? New Year resolution alert. You know? Or type hashtag alert 2025. Include your vision for 2025. need to take a picture of these two plants for the thumbnail, you know. Yeah, so I got a thumbnail for the video, you know. Herbal family, if any of you out there, what is your experience planting a peppermint plant? You know, is it that it needs sunlight while some of the leaves are yellow? You know, or is it because the plant just replanted, you know, so maybe the plant gets shocked and just needs some time? Share it in the comments. Is it the way that they propagate the plant? You know, because sometimes peppermint is one of the plants where, you know, hard to take care of, hard to come, you know. It's like it need, you know, more tender loving care than a lot of other plants, you know. But if you have experience, you know, in taking care of peppermint plant, share it. You know, share it in the comment section. Go on, pray me, man. I see you. Go on, pray me. Go on, pray me. And give these plants some water. But I'm not going to give them too much, you know. I have an idea. Yeah? And I see two of my my gardening family. You know, gardening on the rock and gardening with Stacy. They plant yam in bucket and it did well. Now actually recently I replanted some okra seed in this, but it's over this side, so I'm gonna plant this on this side and see what will come out of it. So I'm just gonna dig a hole, you know. I'm just gonna dig a hole and take it out of the pot just like it is and rest it in the hole, you know. This yam vine is in this pot for a long while, so I don't know if anything is in it, but stay tuned. Yeah, this is the yam vine, so I'm going to try push it out of the container just like how it is, you know. And try to take it out just like how it is. So actually yam start to grow on it. Can you see it? Yeah man, yam start grow on it. You know? So I'm going to rest it in the dirt. Same like how it is, you know? Yeah, so I'm going to take a photo of it and show you a close-up shot. So that's a close-up shot of it, you know? Think I want to get the hole a little bigger, you know? So actually I just want to rest the plant, you know? So I want to give it space where the plant can get big, you know? Yeah. So, yeah. So this is what it looks like in the bath. Yeah, man. So remove it from this container. Yeah, so just giving it some water, you know. Washing back down the soil in the container. So herbal family, what you think? Was this a good idea? You know? But the photo that I got, yeah. But so far it looked like a piece of white yam. Yeah, man, it looked like a piece of white yam. Yeah, it looked like a piece of white yam. Actually, in this container, there is no soil in it. It's all compost. You know, anything from the kitchen, I pour it in this container. You know? Yeah. All compost. So herbal family, thanks for watching. You know? Thanks for staying in tune with I and I. You know? As I did this video. You know, I plan to do a video like every Sunday. You know? But I just wanted to give you something extra, you know, before the new year come in. Maybe when you see this video, maybe it's the new year already. You know, I'll try and post it. You know, I'll try and post it today. Yeah, because now I'm doing this video would be, you know, New Year's Eve. Yeah. So I'll try and post this video before tomorrow. Yeah. But if you are seeing this video on the 1st of January 2025, I must say Happy New Year. You know, wish you all the best. You know, God's richest blessings in all your pursuit, in all your endeavors. I wish you the best. And earlier on in the video, I said, you know, New Year resolution alert or New Year alert, you know, and type what is your New Year resolution. Is it something that you started 2024 and want to finish it? Is it something new you want to accomplish? Whatever it is, share it in the comment section. Yeah, but hashtag New Year alert. New Year alert. For my New Year resolution, I want to give you some great content, you know, share some how to do content, how to, you know, some DIY contents, you know, but turn on your post notification, subscribe to the Herbalawes channel, yeah, share the content with a family, you know, you may can't afford, you know, a monetary gift, but share this gift with someone, you know. This is a gift that can inspire someone, you know, to plant something, you know. Tell them that even yam can grow in containers. Yeah, man, let them know say yam can grow in a container, man. Yeah. Happy New Year. Blessings. This is some of the reason why I don't plant my plants in the earth. You know, because the soil have been a lot of ants, which we call duck ants. And this is what it make the tree look like, you know. So I have to constantly throw in hash, you know. When I burn rubbish, I have to constantly throw in the burn remains around the plant. This is what I have been trying to use on the plant to see if I can save it, you know. So this is what I've been trying to use to see if I can to save the plant, you know. Then I try to water it so that the portion can soak the entire area, you know. If you have another idea, you can share it, you know. Share that idea. I would be most grateful, you know.